So you finally got that dream yacht. Let's make sure it doesn't turn into a nightmare. Here's the 5 things you need to know about red flags when choosing your first captain. Let's get right into it. Red flag number 1, ego over safety mentality. What does this mean? A captain who views safety briefings as a formality or rolls their eyes as standard checklists is a liability. The red flag: if they get defensive when asked about emergency drills or fire suppression systems, they're prioritizing their pride over the lives of those on board. Red flag number 2, inconsistent or ghost maintenance logs. The engine room and the logbooks tell the truth that a captain might hide. If the logs are missing, entries for months, or the captain claims they do it all by feel, you're looking at a ticking financial time bomb. Red flag number 3, communication friction with law enforcement. A captain's reputation is their resume. If the captain has a history of unnecessary run-ins with bridge tenders, harbor masters, or even worse, the Coast Guard, it usually points to a lack of situational awareness or failure to adhere to the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Red flag number 4, the jack of all trades captain. What does this mean? Just because you can handle a 20-foot boat doesn't mean you're licensed for a 100-ton vessel. A captain who's a gray area about their specific tonnage rating on their standards of training certification and endorsements, if they can't clearly explain their license limits, they shouldn't be at the helm. And red flag number 5, high crew turnover, or as we like to call it, solo-itis. A yacht is a micro ecosystem. If a captain cannot keep a deckhand or stewardess for more than a month, the problem is leadership. A captain who blames lazy crew for every mishap often indicates a lack of management skills, which leads to burnout and eventually a dangerous mistake during a docking maneuver or a storm. Are there more than 5 red flags? Absolutely. Which red flag would you add to this list? Leave it in the comments and let me know.